Hello, I'm Holden Ramey with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by the American Gelbvieh Association. The video sale season continues to roll on, with a couple of large sales occurring over the past few weeks. As has been the case for most of the summer, prices are continuing to exhibit plenty of optimism. Looking specifically at cattle delivered from August to September, steer calves in the 500-pound weight group range from $13 to $30 a hundredweight higher, with a weighted average price of $307. Meanwhile, heifer calves of the same weight group were $14 to $24 a hundredweight firmer than they were in the same sales last year. Switching to feeder cattle for delivery this fall, steers and heifers in the 800-pound weight group averaged around $10 a hundredweight higher across all regions relative to the same period a year ago. For both calves and feeders, the largest price increases occurred across both the southern and northern plains, while the more modest increases were primarily in western states. Prices are being pushed higher by the constantly tightening supply of feeder cattle and calves. As mentioned in last week's update, the July 1 feeder cattle and calf supply outside of feed yards was down 2.5% or 850,000 head relative to a year ago. Turning to this week's markets, light to moderate cash trade occurred in the north at primarily $196 and $310 dressed, mostly $2 softer than a week ago. Light trade occurred in the south at mostly $188, also $2 lower than last week. The cash market was primarily led lower by a late week sharp break in the live cattle futures complex. August live cattle finished the week near $184, over $4 a hundredweight softer than the prior week, while the October contract was nearly $6.50 a hundredweight lower, near $182. Feeder cattle also struggled in the latter part of the trading week. August feeders gave up $10 a hundredweight, closing Friday below $250, while September feeders dropped to $248. Even so, the feeder cattle index on Thursday was near $258, around $1 softer on the week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.